Welcome back, and now it's time for the fun round of No Reservations, which is double AK. Now, this is a bit of non-burger stuff for you. Double A, double A, double A, double AK. And you have to respond with the first thing that comes to mind. I'm going to start with you because you're the lady, and because we believe in a bit of burger culture here. So, ladies first.
Shoot
Sorry about that. Yes. Salma, I married Azfar because
he's sexy.
Remove that.
All right. If you were offered a role in a Lollywood film, you would
say no.
Okay. Your worst nightmare?
As for marrying somebody else.
Don't even think about it. You're so dead.
Damn.
All right. What do you prefer being recognized as? And this is a bit of a personal thing. But think about this one.
Right.
Salma the actress or Salma Azfar's wife?
Actress.
Damn.
Does it bother you, the fact that you're more known as Azfar's wife and you haven't really been given the recognition as Salma on her own?
Initially, I had managed to carve out my own niche and I did not have issues with it. I think with time, because of handling production or whatever, the acting kind of reduced. So there was less that I was doing on screen and stuff just went basically behind the scenes. So that kind of doesn't give you that name or recognition.
No.
So yes, I think I started feeling it then. After Fatma, I reduced the workload anyhow.
Right.
So now I'm like, acha theek hai, I'm Azfar's wife.
Whatever, it's fine. He can do all the work.
It's a
All
compromise.
Right. Here's another one for you. The most desirable man in Pakistan, you cannot say Azfar.
Faisal Qureshi.
Is he calling you?
No.
Has he ever called you?
I'm like, I don't know, how many men do I see in a day who matter anyway?
Which Faisal Qureshi? There are 4 of
The one who
them.
lives on the 8th floor. Acha.
Damn you, Faisal. Damn. Right.
Your biggest regret?
I don't have one, I think.
Ooh, very nice. Okay. Pakistani media is?
Hopefully getting better.
Okay. If you were reincarnated, you would like to come back as?
Queen of Egypt.
Cleopatra.
Off with his head. All right. Reality shows or soap operas?
It should be all fair. Both.
Both.
But apparently you're a big Star Plus opera fan.
I've kind of gone down.
That's diminished now?
Yeah.
Is that because of Azfar's constantly teasing you about it, or?
We just outgrew it.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
You must
had enough
you
of
must
it.
Be glad.
Oh, thank God.
सास भी कभी बहू थी, सब शुक्र है, चले गई.
Khatam ho gaya na?
अच्छा, okay, fine. Shows how in touch I am with that. One director that you wish you had never worked with.
And you cannot say Azfar.
You're welcome to say Azfar.
Hi, I don't want to take his name.
Azfar's name?
No.
Oh, the director. She didn't know.
Oh, come on. It's
Tell
no
me in my ear.
reservations.
Tell me in my ear.
Fike. Yeah.
All right, fine. Sorry. Okay, one actor, actress who does not deserve to be in the industry.
I don't know. I haven't been watching TV much.
Clearly, no one's made an impact on you.
All of them.
All right. Mani or Azfar? And who's the biggest star in your opinion?
Azfar.
How?
Yeah, but he's your husband. Why would you say that?
A star is not just somebody who holds a certain image. It's also the brain that goes with it.
Okay.
If a person cannot have an intelligent conversation, be it Shah Rukh Khan or Amir Khan, I would go for the person who's having the intelligent conversation and has a sheer amount of decency.
Whether he's Johnny Lever.
Yes, whether he's Johnny Lever.
I'm Johnny Lever. Okay, never mind.
Who's thinking?
Okay, thank you. That was a good round. Azfar, now it's your turn.
Damn.
Comedy or real life drama?
Comedy.
The worst guest on the Azfar Mani show.
Damn, I knew this one. So I'm sorry, I'm thinking about
Okay,
the
think.
file
It's all
nikal
right.
now. Guess ki. I'm very close. Hang on.
And we wait. Precious
Sorry.
time is
Next
ticking
question,
by.
please.
Tick tock, tick tock. Okay, the most or the best effective pickup line that you have ever used.
I want to sleep with you. It worked. Just
Oh,
kidding.
come
Just
on.
kidding.
Yeah, seriously, can't be that bad. Women just fall into your arms by you saying hi. Oh,
Yeah.
please. And as I said, Azfar is not a modest man.
I'll tell you the real line.
Huh?
Please, I beg you, please go out with me.
All right. Okay. Women love men who
Are intelligent and funny.
Salma's worst habit.
Checking my phone.
Do you really?
Yes, I do.
You need to keep a control on him.
Yes, especially
Well done.
ever since I stopped working, I really do.
People love the Azfar Mani duo because
Are funny, and between the lines we say so many things that nobody else can and get away with it.
And I think you have great chemistry.
your worst criticism.
Mani तो इतनी टी पे आते हैं, आप क्यों नहीं आते?
Okay, now people say, this is a little bit away from this, that Salma is your your wife, your personal wife, and Mani is your professional wife. Would you agree to that?
I disagree to that.
Thank God. All right, okay. You have heard this before, right?
Of course I have. This would be my worst
Mani,
criticism.
huh? Without Salma, you would.
I'd be failure.
Oh, isn't that sweet? If Salma was... let's hold ourselves. No,
Like
wrong
so.
choice of words. If Salma was offered a role in a Star Plus soap, you would.
I would send her off to India right away. I'm like, there you go.
All right, beauty or brains, and what attracts you more?
Beauty and brains later.
You are
I'm
quite...
one of those, yeah.
Acha, he goes for looks first. Ah, you little thing. Pakistani politics is...
Corrupt to the core.
Films or cricket, and which is the bigger obsession?
Cricket.
Really?
Yeah.
Mohsen Saeed is...
A good friend.
He's being politically correct.
Yes.
I love it. Now, because this is a question that you threw out at your guest, so before we end the show, I have to ask you this very quickly. You normally sort of come out there, you love to get people's feedback. So coming right at you, top 5 things that you love about Pakistan.
Love it. Okay, the first thing I love about Pakistan is the fact that you can be a pioneer here. You know,
Yes.
Right? Second thing I love about Pakistan is the fact that we still have a lot of, we use the word up. All right, and that is because we respect elders. The third thing I like about Pakistan is the fact that we have an amazing cricket team. You know, the fourth thing I like about Pakistan is the fact that I'm thinking.
I'm seeing you. I can see your mind going tick, 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 tick.
No, because I've done this. मैं 10 कर
I
चुका हूँ
know.
पूरे. Is the fact.
भाई साहब टाइम खत्म हो रही है जल्दी करें.
नहीं, I know the दो तो basic हैं लेकिन चलो मैं I'll take the easy one out. It's my country.
Okay.
That's something that I have to say. And the other thing I like about Pakistan is the fact that there is still lots and lots and lots and lots of room to be a leader here.
5 things you hate about Pakistan.
Corruption, corruption. 5 corruptions in everything.
Asfar, it's always a pleasure meeting you. Salma, you're always lovely to meet. Honestly, you guys make such a fantastic couple. If I was like, hey, Allah, inki nazar utate hain koi. But anyway, it was a fantastic show. Thank you so much for joining me and taking time out to join us on the show tonight. It's been an
It's actually
absolute
lovely
pleasure.
meeting you again after a
Long time. I love working with them, by the way. They make a fantastic team. On that note, it is now time for us to say goodnight. Thank you for joining us and giving us your time. We'll meet next week again, right here. No Reservations. Good night. I'm Ayeshah Alam Khan. Have a wonderful week.